Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Food Genius. I'm Shailendra and this is the Atheist aka the Cayman of the show. The traffic over here is worse, so we can't stand over here for a long time. So the introduction is going to be very simple. We are in front of the Pista House, as you can see behind us. Okay, so this is a new branch that has been opened recently in Yeshwanagar. It's been a month, I think. The branch is open, and now it's time for us to go in and bang with some epic ultimate food. Yeah, the Atheist, you want to talk something?
Yeah, let's go and grab some chicken and mutton and fish and prawns and egg. Boom.
ఏం దొరకవాడా
like a Hellcat.
This is DJ Days. As usual, I am giving the intro instead of Shailendra Einstein because he's super high right now. And actually, we plan to eat some Chinese food, but the restaurants are closed and they didn't allow us to film. So we are banging here, and the real chef is gonna talk some real deal.
అంతానో చెప్పేసాక ఏం చెప్పాలి So this was Atul Tia's dialogue in the last video. If you did not watch it, please do watch it. And I spoke to the owner. He was very friendly. He was awesome. Was he the owner or was he the manager of the restaurant? Yeah, he was a manager.
Guys, look at my haircut. It's amazing. He.
Man. Anyways, so we have ordered our food. Looking at this, these are the sanitized forks and spoons. They're made of plastic and they have given some extra packet in this. Let me look at what it is really. So are these chili flakes?
I think they are right.
I think it's sonf, man. It's fennel seeds. Anyways, this is very nice, man. I love this thing. Yeah. Instead of giving you steel spoons and plates, they have given you the sanitized version of forks and spoons. This is good. Awesome. So guys, I've got my first dish, which is the Murg Arabi kebab. We have got the Murg Arabi kebab over here. Wow, man, these are boneless chunks. Amazing. Yep. And we have got the masale wale, lache wale pyaz. These are not pyaz, these are cucumber. Man. Achari cucumber. Amazing. And these are the plain onions, and these are the creamed onions. Cream is succulent and juicy, but wait for the real deal. We have got the curry chutney, the pudina and the coriander mixed. Look at the color, man, it's delightful. Yum. I can't wait to dig in, but okay. So first up, a squeeze of lime. Whoa. Look at that. The drizzle is amazing. Now, here goes the first bite. Ah, man, I always do the first bite with the plain thing, whatever it is, right? So, let me grab a quick first bite. Yum. Chicken is succulent. It has been charred really well. Super awesome. Super tender. What really is dominating is that the cinnamon powder, and I can sense a flavor of nutmeg and garlic as well. These three are empowering the kebab, and the malai coating on the top before the char is amazing. So the bite with the chutney, and I'm going to end the chop. Ultimate, juicy, spectacular, man. This I would recommend on top 10 kebabs to have when all over Secunderabad, okay? Ultimate. And now if I don't end up, DF is going to bang me up. So instead of wasting my time, I'm going to eat my kebabs.
It's been a long time I have told the dialogue. I'm gonna put some chutney. Yeah. Actually, we have planned for Chinese food, but we couldn't afford some Chinese restaurant. Sorry, they kicked us out of the Chinese restaurant. So, to satisfy my Asian Chinese guy, we ordered the Pai Tai chicken. Think so? Smells very very Chinesey. Looks also Chinesey. But does it taste like authentic Chinese? It's smoking hot. Let's boom. Man, amazing man. It's like a cross between 65 and Manchurian noodle flavor and some authentic Chinese dish which I have never had. It's very nice, as juicy as the previous dish. The flavors are quite intense. The garlic, as you can see, let me chop it up for you. Show me, bro. As you can see, the batter is very thin and most of it is chicken, which is the best part. But I would like it a little bit spicy with this chutney. Very unique flavor. Very Chinese. I like it a lot. And before this dish gets cold, I am gonna let Mr. Shalendra bang on and boom on with the ultimate awesome Chinese dish, Pao Thai chicken.
Guys, we are going to end our day with a hot cup of Irani chai. And this is called the fine biscuit. And this one, the jam roll. And this one, the plain cake, okay? So, I don't want to do the taste test for this. Dave is going to talk and he's going to end the episode.
Amazing chai. We're just chilling after the food, so that this tea could balance all the food we ate. And yeah, we got some cakes and we're gonna enjoy it in this beautiful traffic. And please visit this, guys. And boom. So guys, we have had our stomach filling meal. The chicken starters are awesome and the chai was amazing, which was not expected. The cake was a very good combination to the chai. I am so high on food right now, I can't even talk. My stomach is full and I'm gonna sleep over in this middle of the traffic. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe to Food Genius.
Bye.